note on happiness. Both nature and humanity are part and at the same time complete expression of the life of the universe. To destroy the natural world is to destroy the human life. We all know the suffering, the destruction caused by World War II, and the most suffered was Japan. From there came a message and a mission that Earth is a planet of life and dream is to make this world peaceful planet where all life shines brilliantly. Let's know more about this through a story.
It was Sunday, 2 October 1960, when India was celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Our President Daisaku Ikeda set forth overseas for the first time to Hawaii to mark the beginning of his journey to spread the movement of Four Ocean Review, which is worldwide happiness around the world. It was a beautiful day in Hawaii. President Ikeda was in the hotel room preparing for a meeting. He looked outside the window.
He saw blue skies, dazzling sunshine, a sea of emerald green color, and palm trees soaring in a ocean breeze. He saw a group of children running along the shore playing and the dazzling. He noticed something on the beach, a beautiful white horse made of sand. It was so like it seemed as if it might glow. Why, at any moment it looked so real that he could not stop himself from taking a photo of it and start imagining a conversion between ocean white horse and palm trees.
Hi there, how are you? It's a wonderful day, isn't it? Said the wave to the white sand horse.
Horse replied, "Yes, the weather is fantastic. I'd would love to go for a walk." Standing up, the horse snakes in tails off and gets ready to go.
See you later, says the wave as it's come near the white horse. Since the horse was made of sand, the wave made sure not to touch the sand horse and break it. The wave and the horse, like good friends, were happily chatting on the beach as they shared together.
Listening to them, a plum tree close by said that I wish that such peaceful days last forever. But while saying this, plum tree got a little sad, remembering his grandfather who once used to enjoy this peace on Hawaii Island. On asking plum tree, "Why are you sad when everyone around here you are rejoicing?"
The wave, with grief and pain, added, "Second ships from the war are still lying on the ocean floor. Several decades have passed since the end of the war, but oil still leaks from one of the ships, as if to send a warning signal to human beings, teaching them to never wage such a war again."
Listen this, horse very innocently asked, "Why do humans have wars? Why do they divide it into enemies and allies and fight each other? Aren't we all part of same earth family?"
Wave, agreeing with horse, continued to ask, "Why can't they be like us, who are happy to exist together even if we all are different?" He then asked, "Imagine a planet made of only of waves, only of palm trees, would be so boring."
Palm tree, being the elder of all, replied with all his wisdom, "Of course, our coconuts may fall and hit the sand from time to time, and sand may blow in the white and sting us. But we will still be connecting after all. That's we aloha spirit of Hawaii is Let's remember to always stay friends. Let's be good to each other and must not forget that we all are part of this beautiful planet Earth where all beings coexist that lives in harmony.